In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money on YouTube in 2021. So make sure you watch this entire video as I cover everything that you need to know. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in the opener, I'm going to show you step by step everything that you need to know to start making money on YouTube. In fact, there are a number of ways that you can make money. I'm going to reveal all of those tips, tricks, and tactics that you've been searching for. So the first thing that you absolutely want to do is you want to pick a niche. Now, a niche is simply just a topic, an area of focus. It's going to be much easier to make money if you focus on one niche per YouTube channel. Now, the great thing with YouTube is you can have multiple channels, but for now, we're just going to focus on one. And literally everything's a niche. If you search grass cutting, there are people cutting grass, there are people listening to sleep music, there are people talking about affiliate marketing and creating digital products. You literally just have to pick a niche, type it into the search bar to make sure that people are actually searching for it, and then move on to the next step. So let's say, for example, we want to pick our niche of cutting grass. So we clicked on cutting grass here, and you can see the top result has 52,000 views from just 1 week ago. The result below that, 427,000 views, and that is from 1 year ago. But as you can see, there are people making money cutting grass, and there's a number of ways to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to pick our niche. And then next step is simply to do a little bit of keyword research. Now, keyword research is important because you are creating content on what customers want to know, what your target audience wants to know. You do not want to create content on what you want them to tell them, because people in the beginning don't really care about what you want. They care about what they want. And if you create content on what they need, they'll start following you, and then eventually you can flip it around and do it the other way. And so keyword research, again, is going to be really easy. There's free and there's paid tools that you can use. The easiest way to do it is simply to go up to the search bar again, hit the space bar, and see what people are typing in. These are questions and searches that people are actually typing in right into YouTube, and YouTube knows this because they collect all the data. So what we could do is we could say cutting grass with a tractor. We'll use that as one example, and that's an example of a keyword that we could potentially create content on. As you can see, the top result here, 115,000 views from 1 year ago. The result below that, 191,000 views, and so on. So we have an idea, and there's actually a few different ways that you could do keyword research. What we've done here is we've just done a very general idea what we could do, because we know that our target audience is interested in cutting grass with a tractor. We could actually do tractor review videos. So YouTube helps us out a little bit in this instance, where we could just type in the name of this tractor and see if people are searching it. For example, this is the Husqvarna Z254. If we type that right in here, and I'm going to butcher the spelling, All right, so I typed in the Husqvarna Z524, and as you can see, the top result, 2.5 thousand views from just 2 months ago. And the reason why people are doing this is they're ready to buy the product. They just want to verify what they're buying is actually what they want. And so if you have this tractor, or if you could rent it, or if you have means of getting this tractor, you could do a review like this. You could do, as you can see, the result below that, Husqvarna Z254 review. This result has 668,000 views from a year ago, and this person only has 398 subscribers. So there is tons of opportunity. If this person would put in their affiliate link, which we'll talk about in just a moment, they could make very good money. But you can see this is an opportunity. But if we go back up to cutting grass, I'm just going to type that in. And what you'd want to do is I recommend creating maybe 3 to 4 videos per day. In fact, before you upload your first video, I recommend that you have maybe 5 to 10 videos already in the can, as they say, ready to upload every single day or every other day, so that you're not constantly starving for content. As you can see here, when I typed in cutting grass, it says in the rain, machine for free, and all of that stuff. We're going to type in with tractor, hit the space bar, and you can see people are looking for this type of content. Now, the cool thing with this type of niche is it can be both educational and entertainment, so you can get leads and subscribers really fast. And one of the ways you can make money with YouTube is simply having 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Once you meet those milestones, you'll be able to partner with YouTube and join the YouTube partner program and get paid when people watch ads on your videos. Now, if you've ever noticed on my videos and some of the other ones, there are ads in the beginning, the middle, and the end. I potentially can get paid whenever those ads pop up and a customer watches them. Also, there are little ads that show up at the bottom. I think they're called display ads. YouTube pays us for that as well. So that's one way that you can make money. I also talked about affiliate marketing, but there's some other ways as well. So if we do cutting grass with a tractor, and then we go, I thought I saw tall grass. Here we go. Cutting tall grass with tractor, we can see the top result, 91,000 views from 5 years ago. The result below that, 47,000 views. There is opportunity here, and you can go on and on and on. Step 2 is doing keyword research. Step 3 is simply to just make the content. What I'd recommend that you do if you're brand new, I would watch these videos and figure out what type of content works best. What does the end user, what does your audience want to know about these types of videos? For example, are they teaching something? Are they doing oddly satisfying type videos? Let me bring up oddly satisfying to show you exactly what I mean. All right, so oddly satisfying cutting grass. When I click on this, as you can see, this top result here, 427,000 views from a year ago. This person is literally just cutting overgrown grass. So does your customer want to be entertained or do they want to be informed? With these, it looks like they want to be entertained. These top 3 here are probably entertainment, a combination of both, but more entertainment. And you can potentially make money. So what you can do is watch these first few videos and then get an idea of what the customer wants and do what the customer wants. They want to watch videos of someone cutting grass where it's going from overgrown to nicely neat and clean. Create that type of content. The next step is to figure out how you're going to get paid. Now, I've already talked about a few different ways that you can make money. 1, you can make money from the YouTube partner program. 2, you could make money from having affiliate links. Now, if we're looking at the cutting grass niche, there are a ton of affiliate links that you could put in the description of your videos. For example, the tools that you use. If you are using a weed eater, you'd put that in the description from Amazon or Home Depot or Lowe's or Harbor Freight, wherever it is that is congruent with your audience. Now, you don't want to put in make money online affiliate links and they're interested in cutting grass. No one's going to click and buy. You want to make sure that they are congruent. And if you add in affiliate links for, let's say, that Husqvarna that we talked about earlier, that's going to be congruent. People are going to click those links and buy the product. So it's very important that when you add in affiliate links that they are congruent, they are in line with whatever your YouTube videos are. So that is number 3. Number 4 is you could create digital products. Maybe you create a step-by-step guide to cutting grass for uphill cutting grass tips and tricks. Again, it has to be congruent with the messaging, congruent with your YouTube channel, or else people aren't going to buy. You could create that digital product and sell it for $1 if you wanted to, and then you make even more money. For example, this top result here, if this person created a simple step-by-step guide and sold it for $1, he'd already make $427,000, assuming that everyone buys, but more likely 10% would buy, and so he would make just $42,000 off of this $1 guide. So that's another opportunity. You want to make sure that you're thinking through what's going to help your customer and help you make a little bit of money. You can also create a membership site, do something like a Patreon where you're giving an inside look, an exclusive look. You can also create a course. Maybe there's a special course that you could create on how to cut grass, how to get those beautiful lines. That's another way to create and sell a digital product and make even more money. So after creating and selling digital products, you could sell t-shirts on Teespring. Once you hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, you can link your Teespring account to your YouTube channel. And when you do that, people are going to click and buy. As long as the shirt or pants or whatever you're selling makes sense, you can make money that way. So let me just show you what that looks like. So I'm just going to click on this video here. And if we look down, there should be some shirts and apparel that you can buy. All right, so here we are. As you can see, if you scroll down here, these t-shirts are from Teespring, I believe. And when people click on these links and buy the product, you get paid. And the cool thing with Teespring is they handle all of the shipping, they handle all of the payment processing. You just need to go ahead and create the shirts and then link the accounts together and you make money. Another way that you can make money with YouTube is actually with being partnered or sponsored by major brands. For example, we talked about Husqvarna earlier. If you created this oddly satisfying video and Husqvarna reaches out to you and says, hey, I love your content, I want to sponsor your next 10 videos and we're willing to pay you X amount of dollars, you just need to say something like, hey, check out this video. It's sponsored by Husqvarna. Husqvarna has great professional tractors for a low price. Click the link in my bio to go to Husqvarna and buy your next tractor today. You would basically say something as simple as that, and the sponsor, the brand, is going to pay you whenever you do that. And again, you're going to have to sign contracts. You have to do a little bit of negotiating to get the most value out of your money. One thing that you need to remember is that these YouTube videos are up forever. And so brands are going to probably try and lowball you simply because they want you to be thinking short term. I'll pay you $1,000 to sponsor the next 5 videos, but you have to remember those videos are going to live on forever and people are going to always go back and see those videos. So you want to make sure that you are paid properly for the time and effort that you're putting in. So let's recap real quick. We have affiliate marketing, we have the YouTube partner program, we have digital products, we have Teespring, we have sponsorships. The other way that you could make money is to sell physical products. For example, if you had an add-on for this tractor, you could sell it. That's going to take up more time and energy. I mean, it works really well if you already have a company or a business that sells physical products. If you don't, that may be something that you might want to consider down the line. But selling physical products via your YouTube channel is going to be a very good opportunity. You can also link to your blog or your website and even link to your landing page so that you can make even more money down the road. Now that you know 7 different ways to make money with your YouTube channel, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.